press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
अर्ज किया है
इरशाद
मेरी दोस्त तुम भी किया करो एक्टिंग।
वाह 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 वाह,
मेरी दोस्त तुम भी किया करो एक्टिंग।
क्या बात है।
तुम्हारा भी नाम हो जाएगा जब तुम पर पड़ेंगे अंडे और टमाटर तो शाम की सब्जी का इंतजाम हो जाएगा। वाह 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 वाह,
दैट्स फनी।
ऑफ कोर्स।
Have you heard the anthem of friendship? यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है। अब दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन होगी जब दोस्त इतने हसीन होंगे। You're watching TV Buddies on Spotboy. My name is Manish, and what do I say about these two? To my right is a rare concoction of Parsipanu and Punjabian. Wabi's Dorabji. Did I get the name right?
Yes, thank you. Finally, someone got my name right.
I still
It's
can't
Wabi's
spell it right.
Dorabji, not Wahhabis.
हाँ. What are the other versions of your name?
Wahhabis, Wabis, Bhabis.
So I get 5 extra points for getting your name right.
Yes.
That's not a bad
That's
start.
for sure, yeah.
And to her right, her very, very good buddy, by her own admission, 10% Canadian, 90% Punjabi, TJ Sidhu. What is the name on your passport?
Do you need to ask? I'll give you one guess.
Tough one. Tejinder?
5 more points.
You know, वैसे जब पंजाबीज कनाडा जाते हैं
हाँ.
तो वहाँ के होकर रह जाते हैं, ठीक है, उनको पसंद आता है। यहाँ पर उल्टा हुआ है, आप इंडिया ही वापस नहीं गई। ये हुआ कैसे?
करण भी मिल गया।
कि यहाँ एक्चुअली मैं सिर्फ 1 साल के लिए आई थी। आई थॉट मैंने स्टडीज अब्रॉड की थी, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, एंड आई थॉट आई वर्क हियर फॉर 1 ईयर। 1 साल 2 साल हो गए। 2 साल के बाद मुझे करण भी मिल गया, तो फिर हमने सोचा यहाँ तो वो वहाँ आएंगे, यहाँ मैं इधर आ जाऊँगी। लेकिन अब्रॉड में कनाडा एक्टिंग इतना ज़्यादा it's not so popular for
Right.
Indians. There's not so much work.
Okay.
So I thought I'll stay.
The show is called TV Buddies और आपको बड़ी गेम्स खेलनी है मेरे साथ और एक दूसरे के साथ खेलनी
Oh, so funny.
You look so excited.
Your sense of humor is.
That's what happens when you sit with people with the name Sidhu. Oh, rubs off, right? Anyway, the first game is called the Whisper Challenge. One friend shall whisper. The other friend has headphones covering her head and her ears.
Okay.
And the person who's wearing the headphones has to guess what that line is. गाली गलोच नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे, ओके?
समोसा बचाओ, खा लो। I love lipstick.
You love lipstick, but you don't like lip sync.
No.
Nah, come on,
Yeah,
give it a
well,
serious
right.
shot.
I love to sing loud.
Okay,
Word by word.
that's it.
It was गंगा जमुना की ललकार।
As if I would get that in my life.
All right, here's the second one.
Second one.
Should be easy.
3. Please.
Monies.
Barbies. 3 mine means 3 minus 2. 3.
Yeah, finally.
Well done.
In the bargain sheet में I love you and what not. भगवान।
What? हाँ.
भगवान सब देगा। भगवान सब
Yep.
देखता
Almost. देख रहा है. It's Hindi, your language.
देख
रहा
है।
Fantastic. लेकिन फिलहाल एक और गेम खिला रहा हूँ. Very innovative name. We've spent 6 months to think of a name for this game. It's called the Best Friends Challenge. लेकिन इसमें थोड़ी सी let's go back to school and no, I'm not going to test your handwriting, but I'm going to test how alike your thoughts are. And the winner gets a Yashraj movie. No.
वाओ
She doesn't?
तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर
अच्छा, चलो ठीक है, alright.
चलो.
Okay, the first one in the best friends challenge is one food item that both of you love. Come on, children, quickly.
Done.
TJ is writing the recipe. Alright, let's match the answers. What's it?
Oh, you know I was going
Butter
to write
chicken and
that.
pani puri.
Oh,
Second, not first favorite.
चलो कोई नहीं.
but
आज
I was also thinking of this. You know that?
आज रात का मेन्यू हो गया. Moving on, not testing your singing skills, but what's the one song that you both end up singing together when you're together? It could be Hindi, English, Punjabi, Parsi, whatever. Has to be a song.
I'm giving you a hint. When we have our get-togethers,
Yeah, but it could be anything. No, it doesn't
yeah, what do we sing on our most important get-togethers that happen once a year?
Wow.
Can I tell you? See?
This is really
Imagine-
the song that we sing together.
Okay then, one more. The one drink. The one drink that you both love to have. Your go-to drink. Do we have the answer?
Yeah.
And it is lemongrass tea.
Yeah! I knew it. This so we
We
had to
drink a
get.
very special kind of tea. जब भी चाय पीनी I go to Babu's
Yeah.
house.
उसका असर क्या होता है कि इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती हो गई?
You bet.
Something, I'm
You bet.
telling you
Does it do
something in the
something
tea.
The operative word there is grass, but we won't get there. Alright then, well done on this game.
Yay! We won!
Pat on your
so
back.
excited. Pat on the back.
Oh, you too. Pat on the back. Very good.
Now that the pats on the back have happened, we've warmed up. It's now time to say the truth. Now this is going to involve some finger pointing. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी पोल खुलेगी. बडीज के बीच में दरार है या नहीं? अगर नहीं है तो हम करवा देंगे आज by the end of this.
No, never.
नहीं.
Never. We won't let that happen.
Who is most likely to survive a zombie apocalypse?
Yeah!
And how?
I think I'm used to, rough and tough things. If you see me, I don't.
Or would you say
I
something
can-
in Punjabi to the zombies?
Punjabi zombies दौड़ जाओ इथों.
चपेट पड़ी.
Yeah, get out of here.
चपेट पड़ी.
शित्तर लाओ शित्तर.
What's shittar?
शित्तर is shoe.
Oh,
Yes.
ये इस बात ने मेरे मन को छू लिया. Alright, moving on. Who is most likely to fall asleep at a party?
I think.
She. I don't drink. I don't really dance. She's like the
Yeah.
life of the party.
I don't drink or
Hindi-
anything.
She knows every Hindi song. She's the
But
first
I
on the
can
dance
dance
floor.
till morning. She's right. I can
Yeah,
dance
so-
till
It's also because your daughters keep you awake all day, right? It's like 28
Yeah.
hours in the
And
day.
now
They
to
keep you
everyone
awake.
now- twins are there, yeah.
Daughters just give me an excuse to leave early.
I keep that in mind.
But I'm always the first one at a party and the first one to leave. जब party शुरू होती है, someone says 9 o'clock, I'm there 9 o'clock and I leave by 10.
And I'm the one who can. If you give me
stays
Hindi music,
all
Bollywood
night
dancing,
long,
I can
all
be
night long.
all night long. She's right.
चलो ठीक है, पार्टी में गॉसिप होती है, मैडम तो जल्दी चली जाती है, लेकिन फिर भी ये पूछना बनता है, who is most likely to be a gossip columnist? Please be honest. Hand on your
Gossip
heart and say the
columnist?
truth. A gossip columnist. It's you. Moving on, the final one in this game. Who is most likely to eat the most number of burgers in 10 minutes?
I would think maybe me.
Yeah.
Because I like burgers.
Don't go by the size. I also
Yeah,
think
I
so.
like. I've grown up abroad. Hamburgers,
Exactly.
hot dogs.
This is so believable.
Yeah, I think we could.
Burgers order करेंगे, लेकिन इस वक्त प्रोड्यूसर का ऑर्डर आ रहा है मुझे. I've got to move on to the next game. Moving on, so the Jinx challenge is very simple. I'm going to say, for example, I'll say animal. What is the first animal that comes to your mind? You don't need these. All right, the first one. Ice cream flavor.
Banana and strawberry.
You can't say two.
All right, number 2. Vacation spot.
Maldives.
Oh my god!
That's quick.
Yes!
All right, number 3. Cuisine.
Chinese.
Italian.
Oh.
Chinese, Italian. Punjabi didn't feature anywhere. No paneer shaneer. Fantastic. All right, the last one should be easy. Okay.
Okay.
Bollywood actor.
Shah Rukh Khan. Yay!
So जब Harry met serial के बाद we should do जब TJ met
Barbies. Yeah, that's true.
You know, right now we don't have work, so we would work. हमें कोई strawberry chocolate कुछ ice cream खिला दे इतने का.
Banana and strawberry.
Yeah, banana strawberry ice cream. We'll work for that. Fill up this, please.
You got the flavors wrong, but I'm not going to
You
do
got it
any
wrong.
favors to you ladies, alright? There is a punishment.
I got it right.
So what is the punishment?
So all actresses need to want to look good, right? And they hate it when angle ठीक नहीं है, makeup दादा ये वो whatever होता है, ठीक है? आप दोनों का होता होगा, I'm sure. I want you to do
Never. Most chill out.
I want you to do the exact opposite. Look the stupidest you've looked. Look into that camera and give us a random expression of both. They have a combined social media following of 500 million. If you don't believe me, please check it out and check my following as well. Please contribute. But the first one, so what I'll do is I'll give you short forms, acronyms, and you've got to give me the actual full form of what these short forms are. MYOB. Do you have nosy
Maybe-
friends who ask you lots of questions, personal questions?
Mind your business.
That's right.
Yeah. Wow.
Mind it.
Good, good, good.
LOML.
Oh,
Laugh out loud.
ML.
What? L-O?
LOML.
O-M.
अगर आप रोमांटिक हो तो आपको ये आना जरूरी है.
Love of my life.
That's right. TBT. TBT. What's TBT?
TBT. Okay, this should be an easy one. I see it a lot.
I'm waiting for one of these to say to be talli, but that's not happening clearly.
Throwback.
Throwback what?
Throwback
too.
Thursday.
That's right.
Yeah, throwback
Thursday,
Thursday.
Tuesday,
Yeah,
ठीक है.
Why is it always a Thursday that's throwback?
Tuesday का कर लो क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Yeah, I guess.
WDG. Well done, girls.
S-O-N. Shut up now.
That's SUN.
Oh, sorry.
अब ये देखते हैं, ये लाफ्टर, ये मुस्कुराहट, तो मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है यहाँ पे कितना कंटिन्यू होता है जब मैं इन्हें कुछ ऐसी पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगा जो शायद इनको एम्बैरेस कर दिया, शायद नहीं. मेरे जो खुफिया सोर्सेज हैं, they've gone to your social media accounts and pulled out a few images, and I'd like you to tell us about these images. Some of them are really cute. Oh my god. Right? Here's the first one.
Bobby's came home to see the babies. ये सो रही थी.
Yeah.
And the other one was awake, and Bobby's
So-
got a really nice bathtub. And the other baby got excited, so
And the next one.
Amy.
Yay! We did a fashion show together.
Yeah, it's Sea Princess, remember?
Sea Princess,
Yes.
yes.
This was
Beautiful
it was a
day.
flea market sort of a thing, and
We were wearing summer wear for Amy
we were
Villamoria.
endorsing for our friend Amy Villamoria.
And the final one.
Oh, this is also at the same flea market.
Was it?
Yeah, baby. See, Amy's only there.
No, it's the shop. It was somewhere else. I think
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
at
but
the shop.
that's the same. The glaze, see, the same place.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
But that was.
And Karanveer had
it was-
also come.
Yeah, they came late.
Well done. Such lovely pictures. It's been a mental episode of TV Buddies, right? Two really fun ladies.
We made him mental.
अब टाइम हो चुका है
Made us mental.
थोड़ा सेंटी होने का.
Sentimental.
ठीक है? थोड़ा सेंटी, थोड़ा mental.
Mental.
This Friendship's Day, we've got Wabis and TJ with their friendship vows. लेकिन हम थोड़े फिल्मी लोग हैं, थोड़ा फिल्मी अंदाज में करेंगे. आप एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ोगे ऐसे और
Yeah, I will.
दिल से निकली आवाज को.
Yes.
हम लोग ऐसे भी very hard-hitting people.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go for it. Who wants to
We're
go
very-
first?
I will go first. We're very emotional people.
All yours.
See, I think that friendship is about the little things, all the small things I have to pledge to my buddy Vabis. I promise that I will watch Big Boss with you even if I don't like to. I promise I will tell you that if you have lipstick on your teeth, because I know you like to look perfect all the time. I promise I'll come over for tea anytime you say, because tea's our thing. I promise I'll think of you every time I give my babies a bath, because you bought them their first bathtub.
So cute. That's what true friendship is.
Yeah.
Cute.
And I promise every time, next time if my building catches fire, I'll come stay with you
Yeah,
again.
you stole my words. I always feel friends are extended family, and we anyway stay very far from our families. So it's really nice that we have this beautiful bond together, and I promise we should always keep it going. I'm very glad that you have come and shifted back close to my house. I think friendship is, also spending a lot of quality time together. So I promise that I'll come and see the babies more often. I'm anyways in love with them. And yeah, more than anything, we should be like one big family. You, me, Karanveer, all of us. Always, always.
बेटा गोपी टिश्यू लेके आओ, मेरे आंसू निकलने वाले हैं.
Sentimental.
Was a wow. No, but this has been fantastic. Great chatting with these two really fun ladies. TJ, not Tejinder, TJ Sidhu and Vabis Dorabji. If you enjoyed this, and I'm sure you have, please tag your best friends in the comment section on TV Buddies this Friendship Day.
Thank you.